The Kinetic Timelines Playback toolset provides a variety of means to review recorded video. First, you have basic normal speed playback controls, both backwards and forward. When you want to pause, click anywhere on the timeline. You can adjust the playback speed from 0.25 to 1024 times the normal speed. This feature applies only to forward playback. To change the playback speed, click on the Forward Playback button. Then adjust the speed by holding the Shift button and clicking on the backwards or forward arrows. You can see here the playback speed indicator. Next, you can advance the playback frame by frame in both directions. Note that if the selected camera has a segment with no recorded video, playback for all cameras will skip over that segment to the timestamp of the next recorded frame for that camera. If recording is based on detected motion, you can use the next previous sequence controls to skip to the beginning of each detection instance, either backwards or forward. The next set of controls allow you to skip the start and end point of the video database for the selected camera. Again, as with frame-by-frame playback, the database start and end points for each camera may differ, so you shouldn't assume that the end point for all cameras is the current time. When you need to access a specific date and time, click on the clock button. Scroll up and down the time unit rollers to set the exact date and time. The Export Start and End Point buttons are used to delineate the segment on the timeline to be exported as evidence. This process is described in detail in the Evidence Export and Bookmarking set of tutorials available through the Videos Center page of our website. Finally, the Change to Smart Search button transitions the Timeline toolset to motion detection mode. This will be the topic of the next video in this chapter.